today is a day of joy, pride and celebration. But behind this lies the blood that watered the roots of our freedom struggle for decades. It is the outcome of a long and strenuous struggle, one in which we rejected Raj, that shaked the foundations of our nation. This day evokes the pain endured during British occupation and the great sacrifices made by our forefathers. On 26th of November 1950, our Constituent Assembly placed in the hands of this nation not merely a document but a solemn obligation to reflect upon the vision that shaped the foundation of our republic. As rightly reminded by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, however good a constitution may be, it is sure to turn out bad because those who are capable, those who are called to work, it happens to be a bad lot. However a bad constitution may be, yet it may turn to be good if those who are called to work for it happen to be a good lot. Unquote. These words are sacred, and as academicians, administrators and students, our role becomes even more sacred.
On this day in 1949, the Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution of India. It is a document that has guided our republic with clarity, with strength, and with a remarkable vision. The Indian Constitution is not just a legal text, it is the moral and philosophical foundation of our democracy. Emerging from the struggle for independence, it has given us our collective aspirations for justice, for liberty, equality, and fraternity. These values continue to shape the identity and direction of our nation. As an institution of higher learning, the University of Kashmir holds a vital responsibility in carrying forward the spirit of the Constitution. Our classrooms and campuses are places where young minds learn to question, to have a reason for a debate, and broaden their perspective. This intellectual environment must reflect the constitutional ideas of fairness, respect for diversity, and democratic engagement. I take this opportunity to appreciate our Department of Law for organizing today's celebration and for constantly promoting the constitutional awareness. Legal education plays a crucial role, not only in training future legal professionals, but also in building citizens who understand the importance of the rule of law and the responsibilities that come with rights.
In our country, we are celebrating only 2 days. One is the Independence Day, the other is the Republic Day. And so we understand the significance of this very important day, how important it is for our country. You know, we have gotten independence in 1947. And I see 3 important things that our leaders have given to us. One was the independence from the British rule. The second was the constitution for this country. And the third, very important, is we don't, give a much cognizance, that is the democratic setup. These were the 3 fundamental things which I personally feel has added a great value to our country. If today our country is considered one of the most important emerging power in the world, and the credit goes to our leaders who have given us these 3 important documents and 3 important things, and because of which we could guide our nation to achieving a greater heights in all respects. And today we are considered the largest democracy in the world. We are considered the Republic of India. And, you know, but so far as this day is concerned, so far as this Constitution Day is concerned, it is not merely a formality to celebrate this day. And this reminds us our duties and our responsibility towards our own nation. And we all have to imbibe and preach the core values of the preamble of our Constitution.
Today is the Constitution Day, which our country celebrates every year on 26th of November since it was framed in 1949. Somebody already said that B.R. Ambedkar is the architect of this constitution of our country. And in fact, it's more than a legal document. Can we imagine, our country without this legal document? And, for the information of the audience over here, University of Kashmir has had the honor of translating constitution of our country into Kashmiri. So, the document, that's the Constitution of India, has been translated into many languages and even Kashmiri, language. So, it is a feather in our cap. Already the task completed and handed over the transcript in Kashmiri of our, constitution. So, by this constitution, definitely it's a rule of law for all of us. It's a rule of law which governs our nation, governs, each and every one of us. And definitely I'll again say that our law department has got great responsibility. How our students will be trained, how our students can contribute more to the society, how our, students can be able enough to uphold the, laws and regulations of our constitution when they go in the field.
योम आइन के दिन के बारे में मैं एक खुसूस चीज़ कहना चाहता हूँ। ये हमारे इक़्तिदारों का हक़ दिलाने का एक ऐसा तरीका है जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन जो है वो लॉयर्स का है। तो मैं अपने आप को प्रिविलेज फील करता हूँ, ऑनर्ड फील करता हूँ कि मैं इस फील्ड में आया हूँ, इसी कानून का एक रखवाला बनने वाला हूँ, इसी कानून को साथ लेके जाने वाला हूँ। और यही कानून बनाते बनाते जो हमारे हिंदुस्तान के इतने बड़े लॉयर्स थे, इतने बड़े आर्किटेक्टर्स थे, B.R. अम्बेडकर साहब की अगर हम बात करें जिन्होंने इस कानून को फ्रेम किया है, तो उनका कितना विजन होगा उस टाइम पे, उनका कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा उस टाइम पे, वो हम आज तक शायद उसी वजह से हम उनको याद भी करते हैं.
In recent times, India has witnessed debates on liberty, federalism, institutional accountability, freedom of speech, and rights of marginalized. These contemporary issues remind us repeatedly that the Constitution is not a historical artifact. It is a nation's living conscience. In his recent lecture, Honorable Chief Justice Dhananjay Chandrachud observed that the Constitution is ultimately a document about our rights, our dignity, our anxiety, and our shared future. His word captured the essence of why, wherever society feels tension or uncertainty, it is the Constitution that brings clarity, stability, and balance.
I would like to thank our registrar, Professor Nasir Iqbal Saab, and Professor Khurshid Ahmed Bhatt Saab, Controller Examination, Professor Majid Zaman Saab, Professor Parvez Saab, Dean Students Welfare, Professor Maroof Saab, Professor Mushtaq Saab, Professor Gavhar Saab, and all the dignitaries for sparing time to grace this occasion. My gratitude always to our worthy Head and Dean Department of Law, Professor Shehnaz Ma'am, for her generous support for every event. I take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude and appreciation to all those who made this event a success, including EMMRC for media coverage. Thank you all.
On this Constitution Day, to uphold and honor the preamble and spirit of the Constitution of India. to cherish and defend the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity as enshrined in it, to respect the fundamental rights it guarantees and perform my fundamental duties consciously, to promote harmony among all citizens, transcending caste, creed, religion, gender, and region, to uphold the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of our nation, to contribute through my actions to the welfare and progress of India, to nurture the constitutional ideals in future generations, and strive to strengthen our democracy.